What is going on, guys? How are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Today I got my boy Rod right here in the background, or you guys may know him as Good Boy M2, formerly Good Boy M3. Today we're going to be installing a brand new M Performance style carbon fiber spoiler on his BMW M2. This thing looks fantastic. We already have the adhesive that comes pre-attached, the 3M double-sided tape to it, and we got the M2 in the back. And Rod got some brand new wheels on this thing, and the fitment looks absolutely incredible. So stay tuned. After the install, we're gonna be getting some B-roll and some awesome clips of those wheels. It looks fantastic. Let's get right into it. Looking around in my garage and had some of this like twine stuff. We actually just snipped a piece of this off, and then we actually just cut out a thin portion of it. So like the center has this like thin layer, and we're just using that strip to basically get under the factory spoiler. And as you can see, it's just not really as aggressive as we would like it to be, and it's color match. So, you know, it's a nice like OEM edition, but you can definitely take it a little bit nicer with the M Performance style carbon one.
Door, we have it on low heat right now, don't worry.
That low heat action.
Low heat action going crazy.
So basically what you want to be doing is, you know, putting it on the highest setting and basically touching the paint. And what it'll do is it'll...
Yeah, I should be dragging this across the plastic,
oh yeah,
right?
We want to see that paint melt. Perfect.
Honestly, dude.
Nicely done. Alright guys, so we just finished up with removing the adhesive, and that heat gun really came in clutch. Now Rod is going to do the honors. Yep. Let's lift it up. Get all that gunk that they used.
Ooh, there we go.
Came right off though. Not bad, not bad.
Ooh, look at that BMW look right there. Authentic.
No way. That is some grade A authenticity right there.
Beautiful, look at that.
OEM. Beautiful indeed. So next up, guys, we have a ton of adhesive that we need to remove. So the first step is to obviously warm it up. This heat gun is really going to come in handy because removing this stuff is generally not too easy, especially when it's cold, and it is pretty cold outside right now. And then we have this little chisel tool.
This plastic so we don't scrape.
Exactly. So we can just kind of get it off nice and easy without damaging the paint. So we're gonna go ahead and just continue with that. And if any of you guys are interested in this carbon fiber spoiler, this M Performance style one, it is not a genuine M Performance piece, it is a replica, but it looks exactly the same and fitment is exactly the same. I do sell these on my website, so simplycarthings.co, you can get yours there as well, and you can see that they come already pre-installed with the adhesive tape, so no worrying about that. You just peel the red portion of it off to reveal the sticky backside, and then you'll go ahead and just install it from there. So click the link below, get yours now. So we're just removing the adhesive, guys, and we're using Goo Gone. This stuff actually works really, really well for removing a lot of the dried up adhesive on there. Just kind of dabbing it on there and basically using this plastic chisel tool that we bought from Home Depot. And it's working surprisingly well to just take it all off. And then we're gonna do a final wipe down and clean it off, and we'll install that new spoiler. So overall guys, the adhesive has been removed. Rod did a really good job of tackling this stuff because it was really difficult to actually get this off, and there still is a little bit remaining, but this should be okay still with the install. This is pretty much almost nothing. And we're also going to be wiping down the trunk lid with this isopropyl rubbing alcohol and just a paper towel just to dry everything up and remove any contaminants or debris off the paint. That way the bonding of the adhesive works very nicely. So we currently just arrived at a gas station in Rod's M2. We installed the carbon spoiler, and I told you guys that Rod got new wheels on this thing. They are Apex EC7. So if you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, because the reveal is here. His car looks insane. Let me stop talking. Let's go look at these wheels because they are amazing.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out of last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of nothing, girl. Don't act like I'm your man.
I'm literally speechless. This is the best looking M2 I've ever seen in the history of M2s. Like,
Bro, it looks amazing.
I might be biased, but I'm also not biased. This is genuinely insane. Like, just look at this car. Oh my god, guys. I'm literally, Rod is like speechless too, man. This guy, like, we're just
think about it.
Yeah.
Yesterday I got the rims and the tires, and then now we put the spoiler. It's a whole new car in 2 days. I don't even know what to say.
Literally an entirely new car, and the fitment is so perfect. Like, the spoiler, the way that it's lowered on these BC coils, the EC7 wheels just looks insane. I mean, the fitment is insane. Like, I can't even get like a pinky under this, like, at all, until like you get way down here. Perfect. Brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Like, that fitment is just insane. Like, I'm so like happy. I'm so happy for Rod, man. Like, this shit is so insane. That is going to conclude it for this evening's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy what you saw, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as get your spoilers down below at simplycarthings.co if you want one yourself. I really appreciate every single one of you guys watching my channel and for all the support recently. It really means so much to me, and I'm really so blessed and thankful for all of that. With all that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.